Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I'm going to talk about 3 AI lead gen tools that are absolutely killing it. Let's dive in. Okay, so unless you've been living under a rock, AI is completely dominating the lead gen world when it comes from everything to helping write new ads, create new images for Facebook, not to mention all the stuff that goes on in the back end after the lead has been delivered to the client or inside our own kind of CRM systems that we're using. It's just completely changing the market. I've been generating leads and selling leads to clients for many, many years. And what I'm seeing now is a huge uptake in the quality of the leads we're able to send people, because we've got stuff going on the front end and the back end to help improve that quality. And I'm also seeing a lot of our clients loving it because they're able to reduce some of their overheads when it comes to appointment setting and all of that type of stuff. So not only are they getting better leads, and we can actually charge more for these, but they're reducing their overheads, which means they're a much more profitable company. And this is working, for my company and for also the people that we're selling the leads to. Okay, it's a huge innovation, and it's really an exciting place to be right now. So I've asked my guru in-house, AI guru in-house, Graham. Some of you will know him by now, and he's going to review 3 of the best AI tools that can be deployed in your lead generation agency. I'm handing over to him now, and I'll speak to you soon.
Hey guys, cheers Dan. So a couple of these AI tools that we've been using recently that have been really helpful for lead generation. So the first one I'm going to go through is Synthesia .io. So this basically allows you to write your script. So as you would, so hey Graham, I stumbled upon Synthesia recently, blah, 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 blah. And what it will do is you'll get an avatar here and it will say the words. It will look like he's actually speaking the words. So this is perfect for people trying to generate user-generated content for their kind of ads and things like that, who don't really want to be in front of the camera. So you can go through, there's a few, you can add a new speaker. So there should be a few in there. There's a lot of different ones that you can use. And you can also change the kind of the speech that comes out. So I've got youthful at the moment. And you can pick different languages. So I'm going to try and get English, United Kingdom, confident. And then you can kind of type what you want to say. There's different slides as well, so that it comes onto here. You can also get them speaking in a circle as well. And if we go to generate, we should be able to see how this works. We can include captions. Cool, so that's just generating that. That'll take about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's just processed. Let's go have a look and see what the final result was. We can press play.
Hey Graham, I stumbled upon Synthesia recently. It's a pretty straightforward tool for video communications, loaded with neat editing options. You can build videos for presentations, ads, or VSLs easily without it having to be you in front of the camera.
You can turn text into spoken words with hundreds of avatars, elevating text-heavy material into captivating videos. And you don't need any video editing skills. It'll ease up your workload and make your content more engaging. So more business impact, just faster. If you're interested, I'd suggest you try it out for yourself. Could be a nice addition to your toolkit.
So that was me just creating one in about 30 seconds. I think it's pretty cool, and it can definitely help with UGC content for your ads or for your website or anything like that. So I would definitely give it a go. Okay, so next up is something called altered AI. So we really like using this for kind of like text-to-speech or the speech AI stuff. So if we're doing a voiceover for a video, something like that, we can run it through altered AI to get different types of voices. So for example, we were running a campaign for one of our brands called Aunt Meg, and we needed more of an older lady speaker, like kind of like a grandma age. We looked on Upwork and Fiverr, couldn't really find anyone. There was one that was charging an absolute arm and a leg, and we were worried about our brand ambassador kind of being held basically them holding us to ransom if they become the voice of the brand. So we came and found Altered AI. This allows you to basically type whatever you want to type in, your kind of script, and it come out as kind of like an avatar's voice, which you can pre-select. So there's loads on here. So you can kind of see Veronica. That's more of an older lady, female, 40 to 50. I could speak in using my voice and it would come out as Veronica. There's other cool stuff you can do there. There's morphing, so you can kind of like amend the voice. You've got the AI voice cleaner. You can change the pitch slightly, which can really help make it sound really, really realistic. And then another thing that they're going to bring out soon, I don't think it's available yet, but it's voice cloning. I had a little play around with a beta not long ago. And basically what this is, you can speak with your natural voice, give it lots of segments, different vocabulary and different words, and then you can actually upload your voice as one of these avatars. So you can start typing in, and then you'll always have your voice on record, so you can just, without you having to actually do the actual voiceover, you can keep on churning out voiceovers when you're not actually doing them, which is helpful if, say, someone leaves the business, which again, we were a bit worried with the Aunt Meg thing, because it was going to be an actual brand ambassador that we needed to stay for the total time that the brand was online. So if someone left the business, we want to still be able to use that voice, because it's very hard to change kind of like that brand tone midway through campaigns. This is a very good piece of kit to use. And then finally, the last one is obviously the Sleep and Beauty Android. Now, there's many chatbots out there. There's things like Capri AI, Zappy Chat, all that kind of stuff. Even High Level's own conversational AI. But the one we recommend is obviously our one, which is the Sleep and Beauty Android. Now, what this does is specifically for database reactivation, which is basically a client gives you their old leads, you run it through our AI Android, and they basically re-engage the leads, book them in, and you get paid on every sale they make or appointment they make from these old leads. Then it can be transitioned into kind of like a speed to lead Android, where there's an Android that hits leads as soon as they come in from Facebook ads. So they get hit straight away with SMS. And there's loads of others. Just to give you a quick example, you can kind of see how it kind of works. So it will send out a message. They will engage with it. This is all the ChatGPT sending back messages based on the prompt that we give them. So appointment setters don't need to go in and try and re-engage leads. ChatGPT can do it for you for a fraction of the price. And as you can see, it works pretty seamlessly with inside Go High Level. If you've never used High Level, I would really recommend checking it out. It's a really good CRM software that has loads of workflow, automation. It's an email send SMSs, pipeline, sales pipeline. If you wanted to check it out, we have a special 30-day link in the description. So you can start for a free trial, 30 days free, and see if you like it. With the Android, we've actually given this away for free. So you can have your own free bot. You can amend it for any niche you're in. We have a five-day free challenge that basically takes you step by step on how to build it and how to sell it. Because clients are falling over themselves to get their hands on one of these. Because it's just helping their business basically get money for nothing, because these leads are something that they just leave lying around, not touch them after, say, a week, and just forget about them. But they paid a lot of money for these leads, and actually they can get re-engaged because they did have some sort of engagement at the start to come into their CRM. So clients are absolutely loving the results. And you can get your own free one by just going through our 5-day challenge. We've popped the link in the description, and there should be a card in the top right-hand corner. But yeah, those are the kind of like the 3 AI tools that I'm using at the moment that are pretty cool and are being really, really useful in our lead gen efforts. So have a little play, have a little look, and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for listening, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Okay, thank you so much, Graham. So for those of you who do not know, we have an AI tool itself. We call it the Sleeping Beauty Sales Android, and it's designed to wake up customers' databases. Okay, so we're doing this at the moment for a mortgage company actually. So they've given us their database. We've uploaded that database into our sales at Sleeping Beauty Sales Android. We send some SMSs out from our Sleeping Beauty Android, and it just goes through this list and books them all into appointments. We do this for free on a performance basis, and then we get paid whenever one of these leads turns into an appointment or a sale, depending on how we want to negotiate it. Okay, this works for any industry. It's really a good tool that you should check out, and we've got a 5-day challenge. There'll be a link below this video where you can dive in and get started. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.